In today's video, I will walk you through how to track expenses in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left navigation panel. Click Expenses. Once you're on the Expenses page, make sure you're in the Expenses tab. Here, you'll see a table listing your recorded expenses. Each row shows the transaction date, type, reference or number, payee, category, and total. Review these details to check your recorded expenses. To review a specific transaction, click on any line in the list. This opens the expense details, where you can review and adjust the transaction. You can edit details such as the payee, category, payment account, or notes. If you need to enter a similar expense, use the copy option to duplicate the transaction and adjust the details. If an expense was entered in error, you can choose to void or delete it. Voiding keeps a record with a zero amount, while deleting removes the expense from the list. Select the option that fits your bookkeeping policy, and make sure you're modifying the correct transaction. To add a new expense, go to the top right and click New Transaction. Then select Expense. A blank expense form will open. Start by selecting the payee. Set the date and choose the payment account you used. Next, select the correct category and enter the total amount. You can also add a memo if you want to leave additional information for future reference. Before saving, review the expense details, including the payee, date, payment account, category, and total amount. When everything looks accurate, save the expense. The new transaction will then appear in your expenses list. To track your expenses, click Expenses and review the Expenses tab. Open any transaction to review or edit its details, copy it, void it, or delete it. To add another expense, use New Transaction and select Expense. Enter the payee, date, payment account, category, and total amount, then save the transaction. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.